Hey folks, how you doing? It's TreniuS Henderson. You are tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So the law of attraction process that I use that works for me every single day. So I just made it up in my mind. I said, you know what? I'm going to tell all my Realm team members out there the process that I use every single day. The process that makes me who I am. The process that I see and experience all the magic, how I manifest the things that I manifest super fast, a little bit of the vortex thrown in there too. This is my personal process and I'm about to give it to you. Okay, so that you can actually manifest things, just like me. Okay, so I know everybody has their own process about how they go about using the law of attraction. But once again, this is just my very own process. You can adopt it and I can guarantee you 100% results. If it worked for me, I know it's going to work for you. Okay, so the thing that I do when I manifest things, I understand this. I understand the laws of the universe, and it is masculine energy during the day. Okay, during the daytime, you have masculine energies. You feel a totally different energy during the day than you do at night, which is feminine energies. That's why the moon comes out at night, because it's giving off a totally different vibration for us. Okay, and so I manifest things according to day and night. Okay, so what I'm about to give you 6 parts of my process that I do during the daytime. Okay, and this is what I really do, folks. Okay, so first things first, when I wake up in the morning, as soon as I wake up, I understand that in the morning, it's all about resetting and restart. The sun is rising. It's a fresh, clean slate. Okay, so what I do is I say morning affirmations. As soon as my eyes open, the first thing that automatically come to my mind, because I've been doing it so long, is TreniuS, say your affirmations. So I'll just lay there in the bed, looking at the ceiling, just saying, I am this, I am that, I am wonderful, I am peaceful today, I am going to have a good day, I am going to get all my work done today, I am going to make a wonderful video today. I'll just sit there for 5 minutes in my bed and I'll just say, I am affirmations. Now, you can also say, I will affirmations, like, I lay down in the morning. Sometimes I say, I will not get angry today. I will not let people, upset me today. I will not spend more money than I'm supposed to spend today. Or once again, I got them I can affirmations. I can do this and I can do that. So every single morning when I wake up, one thing that you can do to start your day off, which will pretty much determine how the whole day gonna go for you, is say morning affirmations. This is very important. Saying affirmations in the morning. Your mind is like a computer, and whatever addresses you type in, it's gonna remember that all through the day, and it's gonna remind you of the things that you said, in the morning when you woke up. And I can guarantee you, I can almost 100% guarantee you, if you start your day off in positive affirmations, you're gonna end, reaping the benefits of these positive affirmations that you said earlier that morning. Okay, another thing I do after I start saying the affirmations is it's all about changing my vibration. Okay, so even though you cleared your mind in the morning with the affirmations, you have to raise your vibration. Okay, because the body ain't gonna raise its vibration on its own. So one thing that I like to do is I like to turn on like really hype music. Now, I like all different types of music. I like R&B music. I like pop music. I like rap music. I like all different genres of music. I like instrumentals. Beach music, chill out music. I'm a little different. I listen to all kind of music because I understand vibrations. Like sometimes I'll listen to a certain type of music just to get in a certain vibration. So in the mornings, after you said your affirmations, you want to listen to the type of music that will get you in a high vibration. I know some people, they be listening to music unconsciously just because it's their favorite artist. That's cool and all. Like you listening to your favorite artist because you like the lyrics and you can relate to some of the things that this R&B singer is like going through. Like I cannot wake up in the morning and listen to no Mary J. Blige, like, because I know the type of music that Mary J. Blige makes, You know, it's just certain artists, it's certain, like I could not wake up in the morning and just start listening to J. Cole. You know, because he be philosophizing, so philosophical, makes you think about deep stuff early in the morning. The whole objective in the morning when you wake up, this daytime energy, is raising your vibration. So put on music that actually lifts your spirits, lift your moods. Don't resort to your favorite artist, not unless they got some high vibrational music with high energies in it. Okay, so that's the second thing that I do. Thumbs up if you listen to music in the morning. I just want to know by a show of hands, like, who actually does that in the morning. Okay, you do a little bit of my process. All right, just give me a thumbs up if you listen to music in the morning. Now, the next thing I do is, you know, when I got my clothes on and I'm about to start my day, I cannot forget my crystals, man. My crystals. I don't have it on right now, but normally I wear a black onyx. And I actually just started using crystals maybe like a month ago, you know. And I cannot forget my crystals. So what I do is I'll be sure to put my crystals in my pocket. If I'm about to go out, I make sure I got a crystal in my pocket. Everywhere I go, if you see me out, I can guarantee you I got some type of crystal on me. If not in my pocket, I definitely got on my bracelets. You know, I definitely got on my clear quartz bracelets, you know, my amethyst pearl bracelets. I normally keep crystals on me at all times. So this is very important when it comes down to keeping your energy clear and free from all these negative energies that want to bombard you all through the day. This is my law of attraction process, folks. This is what I really do, and it works for me every single day. And it will definitely keep you in a much positive mood, a higher vibration, if you're the type of person to wear crystals. I mean, I know some people like just wear diamonds, white gold, sterling silver, 24 karat gold, platinum, Rolexes, Patek Philippe's, all that stuff. That's cool, but you got to understand, like, how did they make that stuff? Where did it originate from? It originated from the original sediments of the earth, the original diamond, before the diamond was even cut, okay, into like different little, what you call those little things? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, so crystals are very important, folks. Give this video a thumbs up, or matter of fact, just comment below and say, I have crystals. Do you have crystals? Do you possess crystals? I just want to know who are the crystal people out there who already know about this. Comment below and say, I have crystals. Give us some names of crystals too, so that we can all learn from like what type of crystals you have, because I might want to go out and get some of the crystals that you have. Okay, another thing that I do on my law of attraction process, and I keep this in mind, every day we got to deal with people. Okay, every day I have to deal with people every single day. Once upon a time, I used to let people get to me. I used to let people get up under my skin because I'm an empath, you know, so I'm sensitive to energies. So I had to find a reinforcement that I could use, you know, internally to be able to like deflect negative energies that come from people, friends, families, people that I don't know, total strangers that looking at you some kind of way. They be staring at you and stuff, be staring at hoes. You're like, what you looking at? Like, why you looking at me? God, they just be looking at you for no reason. Like, what you looking at? Do I know you? God, you know what I'm saying? And so I had to understand, like, okay, I can't continue to just go out here and react negatively towards people that's like staring at me, or some super thug comes up to me, be like, and just bump into me like, what you gonna do? Like, you know what I mean? I can't react towards that. Like, you know what I'm saying? He might have some weapons on him or something. You know what I mean? He's just a super thug. Like, he just negative energy. Like, well, do something then. Do I know you? Do I know you, boy? You know what I mean? Super thugs, man. But anyway, that's why you get the crystals. That's why you keep the crystals on you, so you don't have to run into those Davy Downers. You don't have to run into people that's trying to start and pick fights with you for no reason, things of that nature. So I have to keep myself detached. Like when I'm talking to other people, if I'm in a conversation with a bunch of negative people, I know now to not let my feelings be put out on the table in this conversation. Like I might talk and feel as though I'm understanding everything that's being said, but I'm completely detached. Like I can leave that conversation and just go get on the phone and talk to somebody like you, a Ram Team member. You know what I mean? Like I can just easily detach myself. So making sure that you stay detached from people, making sure that you stay detached from your friends' problems. If you're a type of person, you got a lot of friends, you got Betsy around you, okay, that's cool. But you got to get in the habit of holding your energy, being able to talk to your friends while holding your energy at the same time, and just letting your lips flow and your intellect and your lips flow to be able to talk to your friends and the people around you, your family and stuff like that, without letting them suck you down and weigh you down with how bad their day was. You know, I know some people that used to call me and they just express how bad their day was, like every day, like they job, like, okay, every day you call to talk about the same thing over and over and over again, man. But now I know how to control my energy. You know, this is my process. Now I know how to control my energy. Now I just get on there and be like, yeah, man, you crazy, man. Yeah, man, I feel you, man. I don't like him either, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't like, yeah. And he is wrong. You know what he told me, man? He told me I wasn't going to be able to. Yeah. Man, hey, that's all right, man. Don't worry. Don't worry. You go, man, your time coming. You think my time coming, Tren? Man, your time coming, man. And I really mean it, like, because his time is coming. You know what I mean? Everything is always happening. Everything good is always happening for the greater good of this guy I'm talking to on the phone. You know what I'm saying? But like, then I lead the conversation, okay, let's go read a book. You know, okay, let's go read a book. I'm cool. I'm detached. You see what I'm saying? So I stay in the habit of being detached from people, and I know how to not let people bring me down anymore like I used to. If somebody's being negative, being dirty, being cynical, hating, holding grudges, trying to belittle me, I don't even care anymore. Like, I don't even care anymore. I just like, okay, cool. It's a reflection of you, not me, because I'm happily ever after. You know what I mean? And so that's definitely what I do in my process. Now, another thing that I started to notice, now see, after all of this has happened during the daytime, I started to notice that synchronicities are beginning to happen. You know, synchronicities are starting to happen. Not raise your hand, but give this video a thumbs up if you be noticing synchronicities. Okay, if you notice synchronicities, then that means that before, all the hours before, you've been doing the right thing. Okay, I don't know what you was doing, but leading up to the synchronicities, you've been doing good. Like, your process has been working good. But my process, after I've done all of these things I've just told you for the daytime energies, this is when I begin to notice like synchronicities happen. This is when I begin to notice like divine timings, because I've done all of these good positive things, and now I'm just flowing in the flow of the universe during the daytime. You know what I mean? I'm just flowing in the flow, and everything just starts happening like at the perfect time. Like, I might say, hey, I might hear somebody in the distance say, hey, you know, I might get out the car and hit the lock button on my car alarm, be like, bloop, bloop. And then there's a girl over there walking to her car, and at the same time, she hits her car alarm and say, bloop, bloop. You know, or I might be at a bar or something, and I go and sit down with somebody, and I be talking to them, and next thing you know, I start talking to the bartender about the law of attraction, and the dude beside me be like, man, you know about the law of attraction? Man, that's my thing, man. Yeah, boy, yeah. Divine timings everywhere. Divine timings, you know, synchronicities, perfect timing. And so this is how you know you've been doing good during the daytime, okay? This is how I know. This is my process. This is what I use every day in order to manifest things fast. It works wonders for me. It works every single day. Now, this last sixth thing that I want to tell you on my process of what I do every single day is I try to make time for myself. Even though I got friends, I got family that I love to hang out with, my biggest thing is don't spend too much time with everybody else, or don't spend too much time with people. The whole emphasis and essentials of self-development is being with self, okay? Learning thyself, knowing thyself. So the more you get in a habit of knowing how to be by yourself and know your own energies without having any distractions around you, the more you will know how to control and conduct your energy during this daytime energy. You know, this sunlight masculine energy. Okay, this is my law of attraction process, folks. This works for me every single day. I make sure that I balance my time out with people that I hang around versus myself. You know, if I'm at a party, man, and my conscience telling me to leave, I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm home. You know, if I'm around family members, you know, if I'm around my mom, And I've been there too long. And mom just keep going on and on. Boy, you know this, boy, you know, I love you, boy. I love this and that. Trent, what you gonna do next? I'm like, I'm gone, Mom. I'm gone. Because I gotta understand, you gotta understand that it's all about maintaining a balance with everything. You gotta have a balance. Like if you in a relationship, if you in a marriage, and you got a significant other, I can guarantee you, y'all have more peace. Y'all have a greater relationship if y'all both are able to spend time alone with yourselves, at least an hour a day alone. And nobody can't be insecure. We ain't got time for all that little pettiness. But if you and your significant other can get in the habit of spending alone time with each other without feeling like, oh, she gonna mess around with somebody or something like that, it ain't about all that. It's about knowing thyself and self-development for the greater of your relationship. Spend time alone. Both of you spend time alone. Have some type of separation. This is very essential for knowing yourself and developing a self-realization. You have to be by yourself, you know, in order to know yourself. That's one thing that the ancient Egyptians did when they had the mystery schools. They used to put the students in like dark rooms by themselves for like 21 days. And they used to have to stay in these dark rooms until their pineal glands activated, because that's the only way you're really gonna get to know yourself is if you take steps by yourself alone. Sometimes that's how you'll know where you gotta go, who you need to be, because you're alone sometimes. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what I do during my day. You know, most of the time I'm alone, but I do spend maybe 40% of the time with family and friends. Okay. And so with that being said, folks, these are things I do in the daytime. This is my law of attraction process I use that works for me every day. But I can go on. I want to give you my nighttime process. Now, when the energy switch up and the sun go down and the moon comes out, there's a totally different energy in the atmosphere, in the universe, folks. And this is a totally different process. You got to have a totally different process to battle the nighttime energies, you know, coming from the moon, folks, if you want the law of attraction process to work for you every single day. But for my nighttime process for the feminine energies, folks, I have 10 things that I do every single day using the law of attraction. My process, I have 10 things that I do every single day. I'm going to just go ahead and give you 2 of them. One of them includes how I know that I'm with the right person or the right friend or met the right person. That's one of the things that I'm going to tell you. Another one is how I keep my vibration high when I'm in a low state of energy. How do I raise my vibration back up? I want to tell you how I do both of those things. But I want to give you the other 8 too. But I want to give you all 10. I want to give you all 10 of the nighttime steps of the process that I do at nighttime. But I'm only going to charge you $100 for it. And as a matter of fact, on top of that, I'll give you the 6 that I just told you for daytime. So that's 16. I'll give you all 16 processes that I do every single day. And I will give them to you for $100, folks. I'll just give them to you for $100. I'll send them to your email. I'll write everything out. You'll have my process. You can go by every single day, and I can guarantee you the law of attraction will work for you the same way it's working for me. Now, these 10 that I'm going to give you for the nighttime, these 10 that I got for the nighttime, I didn't even really want to get on here and tell you. That's why I made it a secret, because I'm like, I don't know if I should tell them what I be doing at nighttime to keep them feminine energies from overpowering me, to block me from attracting the things that I want into my life. So I'm going to get them 10 to you, folks. Just send me an email in the comment section below. At the very top, I got my email. Send me an email and say, I want all 10. Say, I want all 10. Only $100, folks. I'm going to give you all 16. But just text me and say, I want all 10. Send me an email right now, folks. Right now. Anyway, folks, I'm TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. You know Divine Power's working for us because we're trying to do right. So I said trying. See, I'm going back. I gotta stop doing that. Anyway, check out this link right here. That's my emoji. That's my emoji. You can subscribe and click the bell notification so you can be updated with new videos every 24 hours, folks. Come straight to your cell phone. Make sure you hit the bell. Also, check out this next video right here. In the meantime, folks, send me that email Or if not, I'll see you in the next video. You want to go this way? You want to go that way? You want to go this way? You want to go that way? Peace.